In this question, you're asked to show that M1 times C2 minus C3 plus M2 times C3 minus C1 plus M3 times C1 minus C2 is equal to 0 if these three lines are concurrent. So if these three lines are concurrent, what is the condition? The condition is that the determinant of the coefficients have to be equal to 0. So what are the coefficients? M1 minus y, so y coefficient is minus 1, C1. M2 minus 1, C2. M3 minus 1, C3 has to be equal to 0. So this implies you can just try to expand the determinant. M1 times minus C3 plus C2, that is C2 minus C3, minus M2 times minus C3 plus C1, that is C1 minus C3, plus M3 times minus C2 plus C1, that is C1 minus C2 has to be equal to 0. So this is the condition which ensures that these three lines are concurrent. So you can see that this condition is very close to this condition. So M1 times C2 minus C3, if you take a minus inside this, plus M2 times C3 minus C1 plus M3 times C1 minus C2 is equal to 0. So this will be the condition which you're asked to prove. Thank you.